When you hear digital twin, what comes to mind? A sci fi clone of yourself in the metaverse? An AI avatar walking around some virtual world? Not quite. The truth is far smarter and far more powerful. Digital twins are virtual replicas of real things: cities, cars, factories, even the human body, designed to predict, test, and improve the physical world before it even exists. Digital twins are one of the smartest technologies shaping our future, from smart cities to space exploration. Imagine building a city, testing a new drug, or designing an airplane, all without risk, waste, or failure. That's the power of digital twins, virtual worlds that mirror reality. Today, I'll show you 7 facts about digital twins: what they are, where they came from, and how they are transforming industries with AI. Fact number one: born in space. Digital twins are not Silicon Valley invention. They go all the way back to NASA. In the 1960s, engineers needed a way to monitor Apollo spacecraft from Earth, so they built a twin on the ground to simulate what was happening in real time. If something failed in space, the twin helped solve the problem on Earth. That was the first step towards what we now call a digital twin, a safe way to test, predict, and fix. Fact number two: the official name. The name digital twin didn't appear until 2002, when Professor Michael Greaves described it in the context of product lifecycle management. Then, in 2010, NASA engineer John Vickers formalized the term in airspace. Since then, it's gone mainstream, from factories to hospitals to smart cities. Today, when you hear digital twin, think a virtual copy of something physical, continuously updated with real world data. Fact number three: not just a copy. Here is the key: a digital twin is not just a static 3D model, it is alive. It takes streams of data from Internet of Things sensors, machines, and systems, combines it with physical based models, and uses AI to learn and predict outcomes. So if you have a factory machine, its digital twin knows not only how it looks, but how it's vibrating, heating, and performing in real time. And AI can forecast: when will this break? How can we optimize it? And that's where the real value comes in: public safety and health, emergency response, air quality, dispersion. Pioneers like Singapore and Helsinki show cost savings often between 15 and 20% in operations, plus faster and better decisions. Fact number four: saving billions. According to McKinsey, companies using digital twins can cut down by up to 50%, speed up decision making by 90%, and boost efficiency across factories and supply chains. Imagine an airline predicting an engine failure weeks before it happens, or an energy grid automatically balancing loads to prevent blackout. That's billions saved in maintenance and lost productivity, and billions earned in trust and safety. Fact number five: smart cities. Cities are becoming living organisms, and digital twins are their nervous systems. In Singapore, for example, a full scale twin of the city integrates traffic, water, energy, and climate data. The city can test what happens if a flood hits or how rerouting buses reduces pollution. In Helsinki, twins are used for urban planning and energy efficiency. AI here makes everything smarter. It finds patterns in data, predicts emergencies, and even suggests better designs for greener and healthier cities. Fact number six: health and medicine. Digital twins aren't just for machines, they are for humans too. Doctors are creating twins of organs like the heart, lungs, or even the entire human body. They can simulate how a treatment works, test new drugs safely, or design surgery plans with far less risk. With AI, these twins learn from millions of patient records, improving predictions and personalizing medicine. One day, you might have your own digital twin in a hospital database helping doctors to keep you healthy. Fact number seven: the future of business. From Tesla simulating batteries to Boeing designing airplanes to Siemens optimizing factories, digital twins are everywhere. By 2030, the market could exceed $100 billion. Why? Because digital twins are the bridge between the physical world and the digital world. They make businesses smarter, faster, and more sustainable. And when combined with AI, they go from being a mirror to being a guide, and they don't just show what is happening, they predict what will happen and suggest what you should do. So, next time you hear digital twin, think of it as your future's test lab. Smarter cities, safer healthcare, stronger businesses. And if you want to learn how to use AI plus digital twins for your own projects, join us at Green Executives Academy because the future isn't coming, it's already here.